Replacing all sugary drinks with water will do this to your body. There are a lot of health benefits of drinking water. Drinking enough water plays a vital role in your overall physical, emotional, and psychological well-being. It helps you to improve your physical performance by improving your energy levels and alleviate common illnesses like constipation, headaches, and many others. Drinking enough water ensures the proper working and functioning of organs within our body. In today's video, we will share with you 11 benefits that you can obtain by replacing all drinks with water. Number 1. Lose weight at a faster rate. Drinking water for weight loss is one of the most effective methods for weight loss. It is a natural remedy for weight loss. Water has 0 calories, sugar, or fat as compared to other drinks like sweetened beverages and alcoholic drinks that are full of calories. When you will replace these sugary and fizzy drinks with water, it will help you to boost your metabolism, which in turn helps you to lose weight at a faster rate. Water also acts as a natural appetite suppressant. Different studies suggest that drinking 2 glasses of water before meals can help dieters lose more weight. Do you find this video interesting so far? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Number 2. Flush out toxins from your body. Drinking too many soft drinks can cause kidney problems. High sugar consumption makes kidneys unable to eliminate toxins and waste from the body that can lead to the accumulation of metabolic waste and can cause serious health problems. On the other hand, water acts as a natural lubricant that helps the kidney to perform its function well. Drinking enough water helps your kidney to perform its function properly, helping you flush out toxins from the blood and urine through the bladder. In this way, your kidney helps you to keep your body and system clean from the inside. Number 3. Improves your muscles' endurance and flexibility. Calcium is one of the important minerals that is required for the building and maintaining of bones. Too much consumption of carbonated drinks can interfere with calcium absorption, resulting in weak bones and muscles. Thus, to prevent this, you should cut back on soft drinks and energy drinks that contain carbonation and replace it with water. Water acts as a constituent for a large part of our muscle composition. It helps to absorb and retain essential minerals, which in turn maintain healthy and strong bones. Keeping yourself hydrated will not only improve your muscle endurance, but also improve your flexibility, which will help you achieve peak performance in all that you do. Number 4, your ability to focus and concentrate gets sharper. Apart from affecting your physical health, sugary, fizzy drinks or carbonated drinks can also affect your mental health. Overconsumption of these beverages can promote dehydration and can trigger an imbalance in certain brain chemicals that results in depression, poor memory, brain fatigue, and lack of mental clarity. Replacing sugary drinks with water keeps you well hydrated and makes you sure that your brain, which is made up of 80% water, can access the required amount of oxygen, which is required for its functioning at an optimal level. Water improves your ability to focus better by increasing your concentration and memory power. Moreover, it reduces daytime fatigue and helps in preventing attention deficit disorders in both children and adults. Number 5. Boost your metabolic rate. The rate at which your body converts food into energy is called metabolism. Taking large amounts of sweetened, caffeinated, and carbonated drinks promotes dehydration, which increases the risk of metabolic disorders resulting in weight gain, sugar cravings, lethargy, joint and muscle pains, etc. By replacing these drinks with water, keeps your body hydrated and speeds up your metabolic rate, leading to faster burning of calories. Furthermore, water helps to regulate and manage blood sugar levels, reduce lethargy, and sugar cravings, which help to promote good health. Number 6. Helps to get a glowing and healthier skin complexion. One of the most important benefits of replacing your favorite soft drinks with plain water is bright and radiant skin. Carbonated soft drinks can cause damage to skin cells and collagen bonds, resulting in premature aging, dullness, dryness, dark spots, wrinkles, and others. Hence, drinking more water daily can help to flush out toxins and facilitates faster production of blood and muscle cells, providing you with a glowing and healthier skin complexion in a very short period. Number 7, lower the risk of many diseases. It is a proven fact that when you reduce high-fat, high-sugar foods from your diet, it will promote a healthier life. When you will replace sugary drinks with water, it will improve your overall general health. Drinking water improves blood circulation, digestion, and aids in the greater absorption of essential nutrients that prevents muscular cramps, headaches, constipation, kidney stones, and other illnesses. In addition, water also helps to reduce the risk of obesity in children and also decrease the risks of cardiovascular diseases in adults. Number 8. Water promotes the growth of healthy hair. Excessive consumption of fizzy drinks can also lead to hair loss because it reduces the production of essential hormones which are needed for hair growth. Hence, it can result in stunted hair that is brittle and flaky. If you want to increase your hair growth, then drink plenty of water instead of sugary drinks. Water keeps your hair roots nourished and also helps you to hydrate your scalp. Drinking enough water can help you to get rid of dandruff and itchy scalp, thus promote hair growth and ensures that you have healthy and gleaming hair. Number 9, stimulate your digestive system. Carbonated drinks contain dissolved carbon dioxide that can cause indigestion and flatulence. Similarly, soft drinks or soda are mostly acidic, and their higher intake can lead to pH imbalance, which can promote serious digestion problems like bloating, stomach ulcers, diarrhea, gas, and stomach pain. To achieve a healthy and improved digestive system, increase your water intake instead of soft drinks. Adequate intake of water will help prevent stomach disorders and will also improve bowel movements. It will also help you to improve the balance of pH levels in your body and aid in preventing constipation. Number 10. Water improves blood circulation. Artificial sweeteners found in many sugary drinks can cause some of the blood vessels to perform irregularly, promoting to an array of health problems like high blood pressure, increased heart rate, reduced blood flow to the brain and digestive system, and other vital organs. Water can aid to improve blood circulation in the body by ensuring that your blood vessels are not impeded in any way. Hence, if you want your blood circulatory system to work efficiently, then replace sugary drinks with water as soon as you can. Number 11. Water re-energizes and uplifts your mood. Caffeinated and carbonated drinks lead to lethargy and chronic fatigue. Too much consumption of caffeine and soft drinks promotes dehydration, resulting in you feeling tired and sleepy. A sudden increase in blood sugar, followed by the sudden crash, causes hormonal imbalance, resulting in fatigue, irritability, mood swings, sugar cravings, among others. To solve this issue, you need to swap sugary drinks for water, which will help boost your energy levels and aid in the process of stress relief. Keeping yourself hydrated is the key to maintaining a bright and sunny mood, and it will also improve your productivity throughout the day by keeping you energized. As mentioned above, replacing alcoholic beverages, sugary fizzy drinks, and carbonated drinks with water provides physical, emotional, and mental health benefits. So, if you want to obtain these benefits, then try to replace sugary fizzy drinks with water. To get the maximum health benefits from water, you need to ensure that you are consuming pure and safe drinking water, free from all contaminants. Will you start replacing all your sugary drinks with water after watching this video? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy!